One day. Love Ada Family TV. What are we treating here? Good relationship that will bring a good, successful home. I won't have some things to tell you. And number one thing that I want to tell you today, as a man, before getting married, know it that there are some things that you need to know, and no one may tell you this. Number one, you have to be a responsible man before getting married. Days have gone, no, when if a man is not responsible, they go and look for a woman and say, when the woman come, the man will be responsible. Know it that you have to be a responsible man. A responsible man who, when you marry, you have to ask in this family today, what are we going to eat? In this family today, it's my responsibility to bring at least 85% of things that we'll be using in this home. Number two, know it again that getting married is not that, it doesn't mean that if you ask your wife for pickles and the woman did not agree, that you will rape the woman every time raping. Know it that the woman you are married need to have respect. Respect your wife. Know it that you have to respect your wife. It's a fact truth. Men don't know about it. Number three thing that you need to know before getting married. During the olden days, you cannot just get married. They will first of all give you a dog, a puppy dog, for you to stay with it, grow it. Then they will know that you can stay with a woman. Why are they doing this? Know ye that you will be a man of patience. You want to be with a woman? Hey, even me, oh. Women, you have to be a man of patience. Don't be a man of hot temper. If not, you go buy person picking and you will go jail. Know it that you have to be a man of patience. If not, the marriage will not last. Know it that this woman I'm getting married to is not my younger sister. This woman is coming from another background. I have to tolerate this woman. Tolerance. That is it. Number four part of it is this. Know it that it is my responsibility to love this woman. Okay. Love one. Try to love the woman. Even the Bible told you to do this. Yourself should know that as I'm getting married, that this woman I'm getting married now, she is my family. Even if I have any affairs, that my sister, that my aunt, all those people that love me. Now, this is number one family. Know it. Man, you need to know this. Know it that this is my number one family. And because it's my number one family, anything I'm doing will start in this family. If I have my money, the first place it will start, I will give it is in this family. If I have my advice, it is in this family. If I have my discussion, it is in this family. If I have to respect someone, it is in this family. Know this. If I want to encourage, it is in this family. In this family, it is my responsibility as a man to make sure that there is peace in this home. Why? Because man is always the head. Don't allow your home to break. Know this. Day